Alright, because I know how much you guys love when I do video notes for you, today, since I'm not here, you're going to watch these video notes and then complete the homework following it. So for today, we're going to be talking about I can convert standard form to slope-intercept form. The date is 9/12/19. So your goal, you want to get something from looking like AX plus BY equals C. You want to change that to look like Y equals MX plus B. So the way to do this, first, you want to try to get Y by itself. So you're going to move AX to the right side. Then after that, you're going to want to divide both sides by B. Then the last thing, you're going to make sure Y is positive. Okay, so standard form is this AX plus BY equals C. If we look down here, this is our AX plus our BY equals our C. So we have 3x plus 4y equals 8. Our 3 is our A, our 4 is our B, and our 8 is our C. So our first step tells us move AX to the right side. So if I want to take 3x plus 4y equals 8 and move my 3x over to this side, this is like solving a one-step or a two-step. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides, which leaves me with 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. You want to make sure that your x and your a, so your negative 3x, is in front of your c value, your a 8 here, because this is trying to look like our slope-intercept form, where you have your mx in the beginning. So now we have an mx. Okay, our second step also tells us we're going to divide both sides by b. We're trying to get y by itself, remember. So we're going to divide by 4, divide by 4, and divide by 4. That makes our 4's cancel out, and we are left with y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. So now we're left with our y by itself. So our overall goal is to get y by itself. Okay, so now we can graph this. You guys know very well how to graph this. We have our slope, negative 3 over 4. We have our y-intercept, positive 2. So we'll go up to our 2, graph our point, and then we'll go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then since it's negative, I want it to go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Can also go the other way, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then draw our line. Okay, our next problem. For this one, we're going to first get AX onto the right side. So we're starting with 3x minus y equals 3. Then we will take away 3x from both sides to get the 3x on the other side. Those cancel out, which leaves us with negative y equals negative 3x plus 3. Step 2 tells us to divide both sides by b. What's this negative in front of this y mean? We have an invisible 1 sitting there. So which means we're going to be dividing by -1 on all of these three. So negative 1, those will cancel. We're left with y equals negative 3 divided by negative 1 just gives us a positive 3x. And then a 3 divided by a negative 1 gives us a negative 3. Let's make sure y is positive. Y is positive, so we're set. Our slope, 3 over 1 because of our m. Our y-intercept, negative 3. So we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3. And then our slope tells us to go up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. It is positive. 1, 2, 3 over 1. It is positive. Draw our line. So the rest of this, you're going to fill this out for homework. So I will be looking at it tomorrow. I want you to give your best effort towards this, and then we'll discuss it tomorrow.